It has been 15 years since we began this journey of care and compassion.
My greatest inspiration is India and all the people of India. हम दिल से मानते हैं कि सेवा ही सबसे बड़ा धर्म है। भागवत गीता ने हमें यही सिखाया है। Service to humanity is service to God.
AI is now becoming a people's movement worldwide. AI, one of the driving forces to realize its dream of a Viksit Bharat, the dream of becoming a fully developed nation by 2047. Reliance Foundation will work with all the 8 states to set up Olympic training centers which will prepare our youth.
Today, I would like to make a special announcement. On behalf of Reliance Foundation, we shall provide rupees 5 crores over the next 5 years to support the visually impaired community. Thought as I dedicate this hospital to my father, I think let us continue the spirit of Papa and keep it alive. The spirit of seva, the spirit of kindness, the spirit of giving, the spirit of joy and respect for life. I think that will be our core at Jeevan.
To celebrate your compassion, your love, and indeed, your vision for Vantara.
When a woman rises, she never rises alone. Families are strengthened, communities are transformed, futures are reshaped. And this power lives within every woman. आज तीनों cricket team, the men's cricket team, the women's cricket team, and the blind cricket team of India are all here under one roof. Good friends are a blessings in life.
Thank you. Welcome.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Nita ma'am. हमें बुलाने के लिए.
Already, we're making small shifts that start to open up the child's ability to develop resilience, to think about coping strategies, and to really offer a framework that they can use over time.
They've come from a range of different backgrounds, from government schools, IB schools, Anganwadis, academics, policymakers, NGOs, and philanthropies.
At this conference, we had an exhibition of RFECCE program, the 360 virtual reality video that we had created of our learning program in one of the Anganwadi sectors. The biggest potential we saw with the Anganwadi workers was their willingness to learn and contribute to early childhood development in their own communities. Today, we saw all our Anganwadis become researchers and scientists.
Reliance Foundation leads Global First in early childhood Olympic values education for children aged 3 to 6 years, successfully implementing through Anganwadis across rural and semi-rural India.
रिलायंस फाउंडेशन से जो भी खाना मिल रहा है ये बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्टी
and they are serving very quality and delicious food.
In order to meet the community's needs and priorities.
रिलायंस फाउंडेशन आई, फिर वो के बाद में जो अपनी समस्या थी गाँव की, तो वो कार्य योजना बना।
आत्मनिर्भर गांव is an idea where a people take charge of their own destiny in the sense of making choices, determining the journey, the pace, and then eventually be a part of solution.
So I'm really keen and interested to see how we can work on this subject together.
हमारे गांव के लिए बहुत खुशी का दिन है।
दौड़ में जीते हूँ। हमारे गांव में बहुत अच्छा से खेल कूद होते, मैं खेलता हूँ तक खूब अच्छा लगता है, मतलब खूब खुशियाँ थे, मजा भी आते।
यहाँ पे आप 3000 घरों में वर्क फ्रॉम होम देख सकते हैं।
ग्रामीण महिलाओं को सही समय पर सही संसाधन रख तो ग्रामीण महिलाएं खुद तो आत्मनिर्भर बन सकती है, पर साथ ही में अन्य महिलाओं के लिए भी एक प्रेरणारूप काम कर सकती है।
We have picked up issues like livestock, nutrition sensitive food security and all, right? Issues like water, shelter, and everything is interconnected.
This is one of the points where community members from different villages converge to ensure that they get their entitlements.
पूरी तरह से इसकी ट्रीटमेंट कर रहे हैं, इसके ओनर को, ये डॉग के मालिक को इसको हम हस्तांतरित कर रहे हैं।
राशन वगैरह है, भारी मात्रा में सामान हम लोग यहाँ पे लाके डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के पास हम लोग पहुँचाए।
Entire project of Swamshri has been aiming at promoting women entrepreneurship through value chain development process through multiple livelihood options.
It is about strengthening Didis with opportunities sustainable and scalable that lead the way in shaping rural economies and communities.
The biggest shift is not just in technology, but in all of us as human beings.
First day, we noticed like the lacking in confidence, communication skills. To do all these things, we have designed a program in a well-mannered way.
This scholarship allows me to concentrate on learning, growing, pursuing my dreams, and even extracurricular activities without any barriers.
Light Atelier is a space for children to discover the concept of light and shadow, to help children learn and grow together in a playful way.
मुझे बहुत मजा आया।
Light, shadow, shape, all of them, the science behind it.
मैं अपनी पाठशाला में डैशबोर्ड देखती हूँ और चेक करती हूँ कि मेरे कौन से बच्चे किस विषय में कमजोर है, तो उस विषय के लिए मैं कोई ऐसी गतिविधि तैयार करती हूँ और उस कक्षा में डेमो देती हूँ जिससे बच्चे को लाभ मिल सके।
In Global Goals, Indian Vision, Insight meets action, and India stories spark global progress. Jointly presented by Reliance Foundation, Observer Research Foundation, and the United Nations in India.
it's really nice to see, how the employees have been volunteering across the country.
घर से मस्जिद है बहुत दूर, चलो यूं कर लें, किसी रोते हुए बच्चे को हंसाया जाए.
अगर हम आसपास नेचर को साफ रखेंगे तभी तो हम अच्छे से काम कर सकेंगे.
My heartfelt gratitude to FICCI for this honor. And congratulations to FICCI Sports on 15 years of celebrating and advancing India's sporting movement.